Year, everyone! It really feels special to be here with you today on the very first day of a brand new year.
Yes, Happy New Year to all our listeners around the world. Thank you for pressing play and starting your year with us.
January 1st often feels very quiet and fresh. The world feels slower, and our thoughts feel a little lighter.
Some people wake up today feeling excited and motivated, and some people wake up thinking, what day is it?
That is very true. Both feelings are completely normal on the first day of the year.
Today, we are not here to push you or rush you. We just want to spend a calm moment together.
Our topic today is Let's Start English Gently this year, because learning English does not need pressure to bring progress.
You do not need a big plan, a long study schedule, or strong promises today. You only need to listen and feel relaxed.
If you are listening while lying in bed, sitting quietly, or holding a warm drink, that is perfect. This episode is made for moments like that.
English should feel like a friendly voice in the room, not like a loud teacher or a difficult exam.
Many learners begin January with very big goals. They say things like, "This year I will be fluent," or "I will study every single day."
Those goals sound exciting at first, but after some time they can feel a little heavy.
Yes, sometimes goals feel bigger than our real lives. And when life gets busy, those goals slowly disappear.
If that happened to you before, please don't feel bad. It does not mean you failed.
It simply means you are human. Life changes, energy changes, and plans change too.
This year, we want to invite you to try something softer. Let English come into your life gently.
Think of English like soft morning light. It slowly fills the room without hurting your eyes.
Or like background music playing quietly. You don't always notice it, but it changes the feeling of the day.
Even listening to English for 5 minutes is meaningful. Your ears begin learning before your mind realizes it.
Your brain is very smart. It learns patterns quietly, especially when you're relaxed.
That is why listening is such a powerful habit. You don't need to understand everything right now.
Many learners stop because they think, I don't understand enough. But understanding comes later.
Yes, comfort comes first. Confidence grows slowly after that.
Today is not about grammar rules or difficult vocabulary. Today is about feeling okay with English again.
Maybe last year you were too busy. Maybe you were tired, stressed, or distracted.
Or maybe you started strong and then slowly stopped. That happens to more people than you think.
If that sounds like you, please be kind to yourself. Starting again is not a weakness.
In fact, starting again is a strong and brave choice, especially when you choose to start gently.
Gentle habits last longer. They fit into real life.
Right now, you are listening to English. That means you already started.
Yes, this moment counts. You didn't wait for the perfect time.
You chose now, and now is enough.
If you enjoy learning English in a calm and friendly way, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us continue creating peaceful episodes like this.
Subscribing is a small action, but it supports this learning space, and it keeps you connected with us this year.
As we begin this year together, take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders and let the pressure go.
You don't need to hurry. English will move at your pace.
This year is not about being perfect. It is about being present.
And right now, you are here with us. That is a very gentle way to start the year. All right, now, let's talk about habits, but in a very relaxed way. No strict rules, no alarms, and no long to-do lists.
Yes, when people hear the word habit, they often feel stressed. They imagine waking up very early and studying for hours.
But that is not what we mean today. A gentle habit is small, flexible, and easy to return to.
A gentle habit fits into your real life. It does not fight your schedule or steal your energy.
For example, you can listen to English while doing simple things, while making breakfast, cleaning, or walking outside.
You do not need to sit at a desk or hold a book. You can just listen and let the sound stay with you.
Some learners worry and think, am I really learning like this? And the answer is, yes, you are.
Listening helps your brain become familiar with English sounds. It learns rhythm, stress, and natural pronunciation.
And the best part is that your brain learns quietly. You don't need to force it.
Another gentle habit is repeating short sentences. Not many, just one or two.
You can pause the audio and repeat softly. You don't need to be loud or perfect.
Sometimes people feel shy, even when they are alone. They worry about making mistakes.
Yes, even when no one is listening, that feeling is very common.
But mistakes are part of learning. They are not something to fear.
English is not judging you. It is just waiting for you to feel comfortable.
Some days you will feel motivated and happy to learn. Other days you will feel tired or busy.
On busy days, just listening is enough. You don't need to do more.
Consistency is more important than energy. Small actions done often create real change.
5 calm minutes every day can do a lot, more than one long, stressful study session.
Your brain loves repetition. When English appears often, it feels normal and safe.
And when something feels safe, you stop avoiding it. That's a big step.
You can also choose one very small goal for this month, something simple and kind.
For example, I will listen to English 3 times a week. That goal is realistic.
Or, I will listen while drinking my morning coffee. That feels natural and easy.
When goals are small, they're easier to keep, and keeping goals builds confidence.
If you miss a day, that's okay. Missing one day does not erase your progress.
Many learners think, I missed a day, so I failed. But that is not true at all.
Progress is not fragile. It does not break so easily.
You can always return. English will still be there.
This year, we want English to feel friendly, like something that supports your life.
Not something that creates stress or guilt. Learning should feel kind.
When you are kind to yourself, you stay longer, and staying longer is how learning really happens.
Right now, you're already building a habit. You're listening, and that matters.
Even if you don't notice change today, something is happening quietly inside.
And one day, you'll suddenly understand more. Those moments feel really good.
Yes, they do, and they come from these small, gentle steps.
As we continue, we want to talk about mindset, how you talk to yourself while learning English.
Because your thoughts are just as important as your habits, and a gentle mindset can change everything. Now, as we come to the end of this episode, we want to share some final tips for the year. Remember, you do not need to be perfect in English this year.
Exactly. You only need to become a little more comfortable each day. Comfort grows into confidence, and confidence grows into real progress.
Every word you hear, every sentence you repeat counts. Even if it feels small or invisible, your brain is learning quietly.
Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Your listening feels easier. Your speaking feels more natural. All because you started gently today.
And that future begins right now with this calm moment. You are already taking the first step simply by listening.
A great tip is to combine small habits with a gentle mindset. Be kind to yourself, celebrate small wins, and don't stress about mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are proof you are trying, and trying is the most important part. If you feel frustrated sometimes, just pause and smile. It's okay.
Another helpful tip is to make English a part of your daily life softly. Listen to short audios, repeat a sentence, or read a few lines. Small steps every day add up.
You can also remind yourself that English is your friend, not a test. It is a tool, a companion, and a way to explore new ideas.
When you think of English like that, learning becomes fun, natural, and stress-free.
So, this year, start gently. Take small steps, listen often, repeat sometimes, and enjoy the process.
And remember, consistency beats intensity. Even 5 minutes every day is more powerful than one long, stressful session.
We would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and tell us your gentle English goal for this year.
Yes! Sharing your goals helps you stay motivated and inspires other listeners. And don't forget to subscribe to Chill English channel if you haven't already.
Your subscription supports us and keeps you connected to more calm, friendly episodes this year.
Thank you for starting 2026 with us. We are excited to walk this gentle English journey together with you.
Remember, every small step counts. Be kind to yourself, enjoy the learning, and let English grow naturally with you.
Happy New Year again, and let's make this a year of calm, gentle progress. You are ready, you are capable, and you are doing amazing.
Yes, keep listening, keep practicing gently, and enjoy every little success. This year, English is your friend, and you are ready to move forward step by step.
We are so glad you spent the start of the year with us. Take care, enjoy your first days of 2026, and remember, English is gentle, and so are you.